guys, we're back again with another video, and for today we're going to the Dragon Bridge. And we're going to check it out because there's going to be a fireworks at 9 p.m. and it's currently approaching 8, so we're going to check it out and see what's around the area. And
we'll grab dinner first as well.
Yeah, it depends actually on what, because like the Dragon Bridge is at 9, so if we travel there
should go now.
Near the time, we'll see, but yeah, we'll catch you guys later. And yeah, we're on our way now. We gotta grab on the way there. This is how it looks like at night on where we're currently staying.
The best transportation here in Da Nang, Vietnam is usually motorcycles or grab bike. But since there's two of us, the cost of taking 2 bikes is basically the same as taking 1 car. So we prefer taking grab car instead. La Cabana sits right next to the Love Bridge. And the fire show usually happens Friday through Sunday every 9 p.m. And so it's best to grab dinner first before heading to the fire show. Make sure you secure a nice spot right before 9 p.m. because it can get crowded.
Hey guys, so we're currently here in La Cabana. Have a quick dinner here. Okay, we're done with our dinner, guys. So we're heading now there because there's a fireworks over there, and we're crossing the street.
It's always the hardest.
It's always the thing here in Vietnam, crossing the road. We're just waiting to cross. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's go. We're crossing Vietnam Road, you guys. This is that. We know what to do. We know what to do.
Just hold out your arm when you're crossing.
We crossed the road. We're here. It's pretty nice here, actually.
Tell them the technique
So nice here.
how to cross the road.
You need to make your hands like this when you're crossing. So you need to make sure they know you're crossing the road. That's the technique I found out.
You can't hesitate.
Guys,
you have
look
to go
at
all
this.
in.
Look at this. Look at this. They have this. Reminds me of the one in Singapore.
Merlion.
The Merlion one. Look how nice that is. Isn't that one pretty? It's pretty. What?
They have drinks there. There's a This is the famous Love Bridge.
In only 5 minutes, the fire gonna come out at the mouth of the dragon. Oh, the Dragon Bridge.
So crowded. So the dragon spits fire every Saturday and Sunday for a couple of minutes. Everyone's here. There you go.
spectacle of the Dragon Bridge is famous to both locals and foreigners all over the world. The local government stops traffic from both sides of the bridge to enable people all over the world to watch the Dragon Show every weekend. Rising majestically over Vietnam's Han River is a remarkable engineering marvel, the Danang Dragon Bridge. A proud symbol of the city's progress, the bridge was completed in 2013 as a tribute to the Year of the Dragon, reflecting the city's respect for its traditional roots amidst rapid urbanization. Shaped like a golden dragon, this grand structure stretches over 660 meters long and glows brilliantly with 15,000 LED lights, offering a mesmerizing light show. But the spectacle doesn't stop there. Come weekends and holidays, the dragon breathes fire and water, showcasing a stunning performance that awes locals and tourists alike. The architectural genius of this bridge is a testimony to human creativity and vision, not only serving the purpose of a transportation route, but also adding a dash of mythical charm to the city's skyline. If you've been to Singapore before, the Merlion should be familiar to you. In Vietnam, they have their own version of the Merlion.
Walking back to our hotel now. The Dragon Bridge fire performance is done since it's near our hotel where we're currently staying. Yeah, I'd say the vibes of everything is pretty, how do I explain this? It's pretty vibrant because of the lights and people around. That makes it very, very good. Yeah. That's
We're gonna
it
cross
for,
the big
what? The highway?
crossroads.
The crossroads? But we'll see how it goes. I'm
Let's
not
go
gonna
with the
record
crowd.
that one. I don't know. We're just gonna follow the tourist. Okay, okay. across the road now. We're literally on the main road. Look. We literally crossed that road. The Vietnam road. Just chilling, walking. And then we need to cross another road. All over there. Yeah. Let's go. Run! I'm running. I'm running. I can't. I'm too nervous. Run! I'm not sure if we're supposed to be running, but I'm too nervous.
The secret is
just run.
stick to the crowd and never
follow.
step back.
Yeah.
Always forward.
Whenever you're going to a touristy spot, make sure to just follow
Stick to
where
the
most
foreigners.
people go or walk. Follow them, and you know you're gonna go through the right path. Oh my
But
gosh.
if you're on your
Like,
own, never step back. Always
well, yeah. Well, it's a different story if you're on your own. Yeah, especially it depends on the environment and stuff.
So
we decided to walk. Just
we
for,
ate a lot.
We ate a lot and we need to work out a bit, so we decided to do probably an hour of walk.
It's not an hour, it's 15
But an hour of walk, I feel like. But yeah.
So walking in Vietnam is generally safe. It's just more the crossing of the road is.
Yeah, you just have to be aware of it. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment,
Like,
share, and subscribe. And thanks again, guys, for continuously supporting us. And bye. See you guys in our next vlog. Bye.